Let's talk about how to easily command respect. There are a few things that you can do to easily command respect. Number one, keep your word. There's something about people who keep their word. Let your no be a no, let your yes be a yes. When you're someone who keeps their word, people easily respect you and trust you because people respect people they can trust. Let your word be your bond. Secondly, don't react. Emotional intelligence is everything. If you find yourself in a situation whereby you're about to lose your cool, walk away or find another distraction. Nothing is more intimidating than a person who does not react, especially when they're expected to react. Thirdly, master the appropriate body language. For example, you can master this. We call this the upper stipple. Now, power poses are supposed to communicate authority, power, and dominance. But a disclaimer to this, don't do this when you're with your superiors, because when you do this, it means you're the most powerful person there. The fourth thing about being confident and getting people's respect, appropriate body language. When you walk, walk as if you own the room. Shoulders back, chin up, walk slow, purposeful strides. The fifth thing about how to easily command respect, incorporate pauses in your speech. There's nothing as powerful as someone who pauses when they're speaking. Now, here's a trick about pausing. When you pause, you look intelligent. When you pause, it looks like you're sure of yourself. When you pause, it doesn't look like you're nervous to finish speaking. When you pause, it actually gives the other person a chance to speak. Pausing is extremely important in communication and public speaking. Another thing that is oftenly overlooked, it is executive presence. Executive presence is a combination of gravitas, communication, and appearance. Appearance is everything. Invest in your appearance. People judge a book by its cover. So when they're judging you, make it worth their while. Another thing about how to command respect, your tone plays a crucial role. When your tone plays a crucial role, it's not what you say, rather how you say it. If you want to command respect, instead of saying, "I'm sorry for keeping you," say, "Thank you for waiting." It is about how you say things, not what you say. Another thing about commanding respect, we also have speak with conviction. Don't use words like maybe. Just be firm, be certain. I will not, I will do this. Largely, respect comes from people trusting you and you having what you call credibility, which we call ethos in public speaking. Finally, get better at communicating non-verbally. Communication largely is not about words. Rather, it is about body language. So master the appropriate body language that commands respect. This could be how you walk. This could be a firm handshake. And most importantly, visual dominance or eye contact. When you're speaking to someone, even during a conflict, maintain eye contact with them. When you maintain eye contact with them, you are visually dominating them. When you visually dominate someone, they believe in what you're saying. It does not matter how you feel in the inside. Maintain eye contact 70% of the time, 30% of the time, look elsewhere. This is to avoid staring. Now, I hope these tips help when it comes to commanding the respect you crave.